As a parent, you always want what's best for your child. You always want to see them succeed, no matter what they're doing or what they're trying to do. So when they begin to struggle with something, you've always been there to give them the extra hand they need, to give them the help they need to boost them up. And now you find yourself in a situation where something's changed, something's happened, and you're not sure what. Maybe they're going from the middle or intermediate school into a high school environment, and they're anxious about this. They don't know what to do about it. Maybe they've struggled in science before, and now they're going to that high school environment and they know they're in trouble. They need to get ahead somehow. Or maybe they're already in the class and they come to you asking you for help, and you're like, I haven't seen this in 15 years or more. What do? You want to help them, but how? Maybe you don't have the tools. Hi, I'm Robin DeMarco. I am the Skyping Science Tutor. And what I do is I take my 19 years of classroom teaching experience and 9 years of one-on-one tutoring experience that I've had, and I put them together to come up with a plan tailored to your child. We start with a very simple intake evaluation, a simple conversation between all of us, you, the parents, your child, and me. We talk about what the hopes are, what the fears are, where the problems are that you foresee. You then have a very basic intake evaluation. It's a couple of questions, things that help me diagnose some underlying problems. Because science is a very intricate beast, if you will. Meaning that you may struggle in science, but the reason may not be the science. Maybe there's a reading comprehension problem. Many of our questions in sciences are done as a reading problem, and you have to decipher what's being asked and what's being given and figure out how to use it. Maybe you're having problems in the mathematics. Quite often there's algebraic expressions that have to be rearranged and things have to happen. You've got to figure out how to solve for a variable that isn't always x. Our math teachers always like to use x for our variables, but science we don't. We use other things for variables. So maybe one of those is the problem. Or maybe it actually is the science that's giving you grief. But this intake will actually diagnose that. It'll pinpoint it for us. And from there, we'll be able to figure out the best way to help. So what I'd love you to do right now is take a minute, and on the right-hand side of this page, there is a little form. We only got a couple questions, like name, email address, and it asks for a brief description of the problems your child's having in science. Take a minute and fill that out. I'll give you a call as soon as I can, and we'll work out a time that we can do this intake evaluation process, and we'll figure out the best way to help your child. So take a minute, fill it out. I look forward to working with you. Best of luck. Take care.